How are you, dear? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello, dear. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, dear? Hello? Hello? Hello, everyone. Just tech installer. So you are hearing my voice loud and clear? So everyone, we will wait until we get more viewers and then we will start the training, inshallah. Okay, thank you everyone for your support. I think we are going to wait just 5 more minutes to get more viewers, then we will start the training. Please invite anyone you think is interested in the I'm a Smart Lock. Hello all. This is Yahya Asfari from Dahua company, and today we are going to talk about the smart locks from Imou. I hope that my voice is loud and clear and you can hear it very well. So about Imou, we have, as I said, we are going to talk about the smart locks. Smart locks right now in these days are spreading and it's a new trending. And as usual, we are at Dahua company. We always keep up with every new technology. So in our brand Imou, we can see right now here in about Imou serve global IoT users with a 3-in-1 business system encompassing Imou Cloud. So the smart devices and intelligent technologies designed for home and small and medium-sized business. You know, the SMB, we serve them. We serve these kind of users. Imou provides comprehensive smart IoT solution for different scenarios. The open cloud platform that allows third-party integration makes Imou perfect for building smart IoT ecosystems, creating greater value for partners and users. So, as we mentioned here, Imou is considered, you can use it for small and medium businesses, and what makes it easy and trending to use is that it can be integrated with the third parties. You can connect it with multiple devices with a compatibility. Also, it's provided to the cloud. You can use the Imou Cloud for connecting these devices. So why do we need a smart lock? We can spare yourself the search. No more searching for keys when you arrive home laden with shopping. So just you can go and forget about your keys. No more needing for keys anymore. Just only walk freely without thinking that you will be locked out of your home. You can also use the temporary access code. Create and send temporary access codes to friends and family from anywhere at any time. You can imagine that sometimes we all that been in this scenario. Your brother arrive at your door and you are not in home, and he calls you, where are you? I'm out of home. So, and there is some time you will arrive at home maybe at 30 minutes. He will not stay for outdoor. He cannot stay outdoor. You can invite him in by just only grabbing your phone, share him with a access code, and this access code he can input it directly to your smart lock, and it will open him. It will open for him, so he can access your house just by using your phone. And this access code, it's temporarily. He can use it one time. So also one less thing to think about. Go out for a jog or walking the dog without thinking about the need for a key. yeah, just grab your stuff and go. No more searching for your key. Where did I put it? Where is it? No more need for that. Just only walk freely. Open the door and just walk away. So we are going to talk here about the highlights of Imou Smart Locks. You can see this model. This one have a multiple ways to unlock the doors. It's simple, smart, and secure. So you can open this kind of locks by fingerprint, passwords, card, a key, or through the app. So we have a multi-dimensional biometric finger recognition technology. Accurate recognition, high security, anti-counterfeit identification. So this technology, it's secure and it's really accurate. You don't need to put your finger multiple times to open the door. It just only works smoothly and easily. Also with a high security. It can detect the biometric fingerprint with the accurate and high security. So the fingerprint scanner with ergonomic design and super wear resistance material. The material here, it's really wear resistant. It can live for a long time without scratching. So we can think about it that it's a perfect combination for aesthetics and ergonomics. Here, this feature I really impressed about. It's the anti-beeping password. You can add any number before and after the effective password when necessary. So, for example, you arrived with someone to your home and for example, you don't have the fingerprint or the finger on this smart lock. So this feature, the anti-beeping password, you can put, for example, your password is 155122, okay? You can put any number before it, like you can put, if someone looking at you or trying to see the password you are entering, you can put any kind of number before the password, and then you can put the actual password. For example, you put the 3336, then you put your password 155122, and then you put 999, and then you push the button to open the square here to open the door, and it will open without telling you that wrong password or something. So this feature can save you from, if somebody looking at your password, looking at you, you will save some time with just only changing the password times and times. No more need for that. So follow me if you can. For the mobile app management, you can manage users, you can add users, delete users, modify permission for them. Also, open door. You can only shake your door, shake your phone, and the door will be unlocked. So when you arrive at your home, you just only shake your phone and the door will be unlocked. You can create temporary passwords, as we said about it previously, that your brother waiting for you. You just only make some temporary password for him and share it with him to open the door. And you can also see the unlock log. Check unlock records by mobile phone app. So you can see what time this door opens, what time somebody open it. These kind of records will be available also to check it. So about this feature, wrong try lockout. if the incorrect security codes or unregistered fingerprints or card keys are attempted for several times in a row, the system will lock out. So for example, somebody trying to messing with your numbers and trying to access the door, so the lock will understand that, and it will put itself on lockout, so nobody can open it until you arrive and you open it. Okay. For the temper alarm, the alarm will go off if anyone attempts to damage the lock or force the door open. So if somebody trying to push the door to open it, or trying to unscrew the lock or something, the security alarm, the alarm will go off. So there will be some noise, some beeping. It will make the person who's tampering with it afraid, and he will run away. Or it will keep beeping and some people will get attention. So in any way, this feature, this security feature, it's really important in this kind of smart locks. So and you can lock the door from the inside. Enjoy peace of mind while at home. Just only switch the lock from inside and it will be locked. Easy, as we can see here. Just only flip it. So actually this kind of locks have a lot of tests on it, and a professional test, not just only normal testing, a professional test for more reliability and more durable. So for example, the battery will keep alive for 12 months, around 1 year. And here the times of fingerprint reading tests. Just only testing this this smart lock for 300,000 times. They just only test it, just only testing the fingerprint to see the reading of it. And the handle, you know, when you are going to open the door with the handle, they tested more than 100,000 times for the handle testing. 96 hours of salt spray test. You know the salt spray test? This one just only to check the outside material of the smart lock to see if it's going to corrosion or some things going to scratch the materials. This test, you can search about it. It's for this 96 hours. It's really a perfect for this kind of locks. And the working temperature from minus 10 to 55 degree. And when there is some voltage drop or something, there will be alerts for it. We can see the secure structure. You see the structure of it, the structure of the smart lock. You can see how elegant is it, and the structure of it. It's an exquisite craft. You see here the ergonomic design, one piece panel design. You can see it. It's really one piece. For also there is a feature. This is the built-in doorbell. You can ring the door from here. No more need for putting a side doorbell. From this button, you can just only swipe your hand on it, and it will start to doorbell in your house. You will know who is coming for you from the same smart lock. Made texture frame and handle. in mold lamination technology. You know, the scratching, this thing, it's have this feature. It will be like anti-scratch. Zinc alloy one piece design. Let's see this one. See the design. These all features. It's talking about the design. I think for most of the smart locks right now in the market, they will not be as elegant as this one. Also with the competing with the price also. You know, these smart locks are very uh, cost effective regarding what's available in the market and what's the features of the other competitors. Like many smart locks in the market doesn't support the app, doesn't support the tampering alarm. These these smart locks, they have a lot of features with a cost effective also, not as in the market. What's available in the market, I can tell, even with the high end locks from other competitors, I notice also the design of them. It's not really elegant as these new Imou smart locks. They are very elegant. So as we can see here, it's easy to use for every family member: parents, kids, the elder, friends, relatives, and nannies. Just only easy. It's really easy. So the Imou smart locks, we have the series. We have the high end and economical. The high end, we will see it right now, that we have the K5C and the K6, and we have the K2 and the 2 series. We will see the difference between them in the next layer. So we have this for the card type. All of them support the cards. My Fair card, you can put also the fingerprint. See, for this one, the K5C, it's 100, the K6 100, the K2 it's 50. For the 2 series, there is no fingerprint, as we said before, but it has the anti-beeping technology. So if you don't have a card and somebody with you, you can put any kind of number here and then put your real password and then any number, and it will open. So this feature, the anti-beeping, it's quite useful in this one. Also useful in this if something went wrong, or somebody also with your friend who you shared with him the password, he can also do that, so nobody knows else about your real password. For the password capacity, also 100 in this K5, 100 here, 50, 50. For the door thickness, you know, for installing, regarding the installing, the thickness of the door here, it's from 45 to 95 millimeters. So I think it supports a lot of doors here, especially in Saudi Arabia. Most of them are ranged like this. Here also, this one, it's the same, almost the same. This one also, the 35 to 65. So it's not just only supported for one door thickness. Any kind of door between this number and this number, it can support it. So for the emergency power supply, here, for example, this lock, the battery is ended. Okay, so you can use the 9-volt battery. You can swipe here, for example, and you can just only plug the battery from outside or from down. You can plug it and smart lock will turn on, and you can open it through the fingerprint or the password. So don't think about running out of battery. Even if the smart lock run off the batteries, there is a emergency power supply by this method. Here you can use the micro USB. Here also you can use the micro USB with the power bank. You just plug it and you put the micro USB, and the smart lock will start. Also you can use the emergency key if you have it, but even if there is no emergency key, if you don't have it, you can still open your door or your smart lock with the power supply emergency. For the working voltage, we are going to use the batteries 4 pieces, the AA normal batteries. You can put them and it will work. For the colors, this one have the black K, these have the antique cover and satin silver. This one have also 2 colors, this one have also 2 colors. So the only difference between this one and this one are with the fingerprint. This series, the 2 series, it doesn't have the fingerprint, and this one K2 doesn't support the mobile app. This one, this K2, it doesn't support the mobile app. For these two, the professional series, these two supporting the mobile app, supporting the fingerprint, card, emergency key, password, for these two. So I think we are going to take it one by one right now. So the K5C exquisite design for smart access, the fingerprint, password, card, key, app. Biometric fingerprint technology, a more secure way to unlock the door with biometric fingerprint technology for effective anti-counterfeit identification. As we said before about the fingerprint technology here, it's really secure and really effective. So just only push it one time, it can identify that it's you, and with easily identification and with security, with more secure. For the mobile app also, this one supported. With the app you can unlock the door or create and share temporary access code for guests and browse access history logs. It's really great app. When you use it for this kind of smart locks, it's really going to change. A lot of smart locks right now available in the market, they doesn't support this one. They doesn't support the mobile app at all. Okay. Also the fingerprint. It's really necessary, and I have been testing a lot of smart locks in the market. When you push the fingerprint, it's taking too long time to identify that it's you, or sometimes it's not responding. So this biometric fingerprint technology, it's going to relieve you from these kind of things. Also, don't forget about this feature for the wrong doorbell. Most of also the smart locks, they doesn't have it, so we have it here. So as you can see also the design, it's really user-friendly design and quite elegant. So this is the diagram of the smart lock. See here, this one, we can use it almost on any door. This is the normal doors we have in our houses. Most of our houses right now here in Saudi Arabia, they are using this kind of locks. So for the specification, This is the name of it, and this is the model. This is the door thickness as we talked about. These are the features that we talked about. Card capacity 100, password capacity 100, finger capacity 100. I think this is more than enough. For other brands, I can see it supports some of them, even with the high-end brands from British, they doesn't support more than 20 user. So this one, it has a huge capacity for passwords, card capacity, for finger capacity. Also the low battery warning, as we said before, when there is some low in the battery, it will warn you. Here we talked about the batteries. You can put the normal batteries. It will live for 12 months, around 12. So this is the product standard, and this is the working temperature from minus 10 degree to 55 degree. Also the relative humidity, it can work up to from 10% to 93. So here is the K6. Unlock the door with your smartphone. Okay, as this one, it's almost the same, but have a different look. The K6, it has a different look, another design. It can be suitable. So you can unlock the door also with your smartphone. The biometric fingerprint technology, it's also the same. The mobile app, user-friendly UI design. See, you can here use the unlock notification light and voice promote. See, it can tell you that it's opening, and see this elegant light. It can show up here. So this one from the professional. See, the diagrams are almost the same also. So this can you can see here it's also the same. We can use it in any kind of doors we have. It's compatible. Here are the specification of it. It's almost the same. Regardless, here the door lock for the door thickness, it's from 45 to 95. Almost the same. The capacity of the users. The power supply is the same. For the low battery, there is also notification. The battery life goes for 12 months. For the emergency lock, here you can use the micro USB. The relative humidity and the working temperature are also the same. Okay. So this one, K2. Say goodbye to keys. Fingerprint, password, card, and key. So this one have the biometric fingerprint technology also. Exquisite craft, simple and stylish appearance with in-mold labeling technology, suitable for various doors. As we said, for the in-mold labeling, it's really heavy. The material are sticking together, so it will be anti-corrosion. It will live with a long life with you. Also, it has a user-friendly user interface design for the locks, for the MyFair card. But this one, as we said before, doesn't have the mobile app. This one, the K2, it doesn't have the mobile app. So for the K2, this is the dimensions. Also support the same doors we have, and this is the specification of it. but this one supports like the capacity, have the card 50, password capacity 50, finger capacity 50. Also, as I mentioned before, this one has a huge capacity regarding what's available in the market. For the emergency backup battery, you can use also the micro USB, and it can be open, or you can use the emergency key. Okay, so this is the Dahua 2 series. This one actually what make it different of the others, the lock body. This one uses you know, the American lock bodies. It's almost the same. So if the door has similar for this one, which is not normally used in homes, but you can use this this smart lock for this kind of lock body doors. See the Dahua 2 series. It's a smart way to protect your office, passwords, cards, key. Also use the app, but this one doesn't have the fingerprint. So we can use the mobile app with all the features we talked about, the anti-peeping password as we said about it before. So putting any kind of number before the real password, then you can put any kind of number after the real password and it will still open. So also the user-friendly UI design. You can unlock notification voice promote that it's unlocked, locked or something. This is the dimensions as we talked before. This one you can use it for this kind of lock bodies. So the three models we talked about earlier can support any kind of doors here in Saudi Arabia. We use it normally. So with the thickness also it's compactable, it's customizable. For this one it can be used with this kind of locks. And also if the client really insists on this kind of locks or this lock, the door also can be customizable. So the carpenters can easily put it. This is the specification for the Dahua 2 series. This is the model of it. So the door thickness, it's from 35 to 65. So this one for doors that are not really thick. So the card capacity have 50, password capacity have a 50. The Bluetooth capacity, it's for the you can identify the mobile app. You know, the mobile app, it's up to 8. You can connect up to 8 mobiles. The power, it's all used, so use the same. Here for the emergency, you can plug the 9-volt battery. So actually some of the smart locks have 2 pins. You can see some 2 pins in smart locks. I don't know if you dealt before with the smart locks, but there is usually 2 pins. Either they hiding here or under the smart lock. You can put these two. Pins with the battery 9-volt. You know the 9-volt. It has a small circle. The small circle and the big circle, it's almost the same here, just only you can plug it, it will be attached and it will work. The smart lock will work if the batteries are dead. So thank you everyone for listening for this training, and if you have any questions, please let me know. You can write in the live chat. If you have any questions regarding this smart lock solution, please let me know. So just only if there is no any questions, if there is no any questions, I will make a fast review for the features. Let me okay. So as we said before, we have the high end, these two smart locks, and we have the K2 and 2 series economical. These are more cost effective than these two, even though the high end and the economical are high quality, has more features, and a lot of security is done here, you know, because our products from Dahua and from Imou, our company is specialized in security. So you can think about it, how secure these devices are than what is available in the market. You can get the affecting features here in these devices. You can get the elegant design with a cost-effective price, even for the high end, regarding what is available in the market. I have a question from Fernando Major. He's asking if is it possible these devices can also read RFID cards? Yes, there is RF. Now, if you are asking for the RF, it will support only our cards, the MyFair card. Okay, the radio frequency cards are not supported by this. Only our cards. There, we yeah, it is really good if it's dual frequency. Yeah, it can be, but also we are thinking about the security, you know. The security is important in this kind of locks. So this one, the K5C, the K6, as I mentioned before, these four, it can be really done with the MyFair card. You can use all of them with the MyFair card. You can have the card capacity for 100, 150, 50. It's more than enough for this kind of locks, for the smart locks. Don't forget about this feature about the anti-beeping. All of them support the anti-beeping. This is a really quite good anti-beeping technology. For this lock, can use Imou app. Actually, Mr. Hassan, for right now, until right now, as I tested before, we have a specific app for it, for this locks. But I think right now, after I think right now there will be some feature, I think, for the IMO. I'm not really sure, but for the last time I use it for with a different when I tested with a different app. There was a specific app for it, but also from our company. Yes, Mr. Hassan. Hassan, dear, as I mentioned before, it's right now on different app, but also from our side, from Dahua side. Okay. In the future, we will integrate it with the IMO app. But right now, it has a different app. Anyone else have a question? For the dual frequency, Mr. Farid, he answered that the RFID card normally used for parking entrance. So the smart lock for home used, office used, they use the normal normal My Fair card. Okay, Mr. Hassan, he's asking if after connections mean, for example, 20% connect to this lock, then if I want to remove one person from this lock, is it possible or not? Like you are saying, right now I already connect 20% to this lock. So after that, I want to delete only one person from it, not deleting all the person, right? This is your question. Yeah. So for example, you added your friend with the to access through your smart lock, okay? After a while you want to delete it without deleting everyone else, okay? You can delete him, no problem. You can remove this person, okay dear? So as we said before, we support 100%. For Mr. Ahmad, he's asking if it can be controlled from smart BSS. Okay, actually, no, it cannot support from smart BSS. As Mr. Farid also, he's supporting me right now, and he's answering for some questions. Mr. Hassan, he want to know if we can delete to remove one person. So yeah, it's possible. It's possible, dear. You can delete one person and keep the others. So any other question? Okay, Mr. Hassan have another question. Let me show you this one. See here, dear, through the mobile app management, you can manage users, add, delete user, or modify permission. So you can give permission to each user, what he can do, what he cannot do, and you can add or you can delete the user. Did you get it, Mr. Hassan? Uh, dear, uh, dear Hassan, as you can see here, through this one you can, through the app, you can get permissions. You can give permissions. So yes, the admin can delete anyone because he's the admin. You're welcome, dear. So any other question? Don't forget also about this feature for the mobile. You can just only shake your mobile near the door and it will be open. So think about all these features for this smart lock. I think once you see it, maybe you will get some to your house also. It's really useful. Yes, dear Hassan. No one. Just admin or who you give him a permission to do so. Uh, Slide. Where is this slide? See there? You can add, delete users, or modify permissions. So you can give. Actually, for now, you cannot. We cannot. Mr. Ahmed, he's asking if we can integrate it with camera. For now, we cannot. This smart locks, it cannot. You're welcome, Mr. Hassan. So, any other questions? Have any one of you dealt with smart locks before? Or have you installed smart lock before? Mr. Muhammad, actually, I didn't not get your question really, but maybe I think you are saying, just a second. I think you mean on open mode, like this handle. Once you install the door, the smart lock on your door, this handle it will not work, or when you trying to open it, it will be loose free. It will not open. It will not open the door until you put the password or put your card or your fingerprint. Then it will it will start to be effective, and you can push it and it will open the door. Actually, for right now, uh, it cannot it cannot be integrated for now. But in future, we have a plan to do. But other IMO products, it can be for other IMO products, it can be integrated. Oh, Mr. Muhammad. Mr. Muhammad, you have fixed the smart lock from Dahua before? Dear, I'm not getting what you are trying to say, but it should be locked automatically. Just only when you close the door, it will be locked. The handle will not open from the outdoor if you did not put the authentication either by fingerprint, card, or a password. The handle will not open the door. When you do the authentication, then you can open the door. So, any other questions? By the way, dears, right now for the smart locks, you can gain more profit by installing these smart locks more than you get with other products. So it's really easy to install it. If we think about it, it's really easy to install it and easy money to gain by installing these locks. Mr. Muhammad, did I answer your question? I think you get it. Can you can you explain more about it? Then, Mr. Muhammad, when after you've installed the lock, okay, the smart lock, after you install it, what's what do you mean with locked automatically? Uh, I think there is something wrong with the installation, same installation. Because what should happen? What should happen after you finish from fixing the lock? After you finish with it, okay, you open it, you program it, you put the batteries. The handle will not get latched, or it will not be active if you did not. Okay, okay. You already did configure the card and the password. Okay, that's really good. So after you make everything, when you close the door, you push the handle, the same handle. Okay, the same handle should not open. So you mean so you mean it doesn't get locked. So you mean when you open the door, it will open? Is that what you mean? Mr. Muhammad, when you open the door, it's open directly without putting a password, without putting the card. I think if you are facing this problem exactly without putting the password or without putting the card, there is something wrong with the installation. Beside that, it should be working. Me myself, I've installed the three pieces from these smart locks, and it's working correctly without no any issues at all. And it was really easy to install it. I even installed it before I start working with Dahua. It was really great project I take, and I installed the three pieces of this smart lock. My client were very happy with it. Mr. Majid, there is a Bluetooth. It's a Bluetooth feature. So I think if we don't have any more questions, I was happy to be here with you and to give this introduction about the smart lock. And I hope next training will be soon. There will be a new training, inshallah, about them and with more technical things, inshallah. So, this is Yahya. I was with you, and I hope everyone to be alright and wish you a good day. مع السلامة.